to see WhatsApp one-time photo again. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application and just check if there are any updates available for the application on your device. So just go for WhatsApp. Now, as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will just lead me to WhatsApp. Then tap on the three dotted lines and then go to your chat section. Now here you can see different options. Now just go to chat backup and make sure you tap on the option of backup and you back up all your data that has come to your device on your accounts, and even if the photo is gone, then you can still be able to watch and look the one-time photo. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.